Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine. We have all been there. And today's in my collection. If you're long hair, you have hit snooze 3 times and you are starting at 45 minutes of washing, drying and styling just a look okay. But if I told you that you could get your life back, today's we are talking about the magic of low maintenance short hairstyle. It's not just about saving time, it's about health. Shorter hair means you are cutting off those dead ends regularly. It means less heat damage because your blow dry time goes from almost 30 minutes. Well, 5, and honestly, there is nothing more improving than showing off your face and your neck without a curtain of hair hiding it. Life is too short. Long hair routines. If you have been waiting for a sign to chop it off, this is it. Go short, go bold, and go get your morning back. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair tips. See you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.